Good morning everyone, I'm Dr.Madhavi, Consultant Dermatologist, Hyderabad. Today I would like to talk on laser toning for fairness treatment. As you know, there are a lot of varieties of treatment which are available, like chemical peeling, microdermabrasion, laser toning, glutathione therapy and so on. Today I would like to briefly brief about laser toning. Here we are going to use on carbon peel QCH Indiac laser for the fairness and the glow. As you know, most of the patients in today's world, everybody will want to be fair and look beautiful, and there are so many fairness creams which are available in the market, with a lot of advertisements also being promoted for fairness. Whenever you want it to become fair, first of all we should know the type of skin, what type of skin you belong to. Any underlying health issues are there, we should be aware of it. You should always consult the dermatologist to get a brief idea of what is the skin type which we are suffering, what are the reasons for the pigmentation of the darkness. Going to the causes for general pigmentation. So pigmentation is a term which we doctors or the dermatologists use. And when we talk about the pigmentation, first of all we should know whether it is a uniform generalized pigmentation of the face or the sun exposed parts. Second is a patchy type of pigmentation. So the uniform pigmentation mainly is because of the genetic reasons. So usually if our parents or grandparents or maternal side or the paternal side, if they are dark and we have a genetics regarding that, so we can tend to be darker, like a darker skin tone. Second is the hormone issues. So any health issues and hormone issues like thyroid, PCOD hormone problems in case of women, any other drugs which the people are using like oral contraceptive pills or any anti-epileptic drugs, they all can cause pigmentation problems. So apart from that, the most important is the sun exposure, UV radiation. So the people who are in the outdoor activity and who are more exposed to UV radiation, they tend to become darker compared to their original skin tone. So we usually have about 6 skin grades according to Fitzpatrick. We call this Fitzpatrick skin grades. So 1 to 6, where 5 and 6 mostly the Indians belong to. So we have more tendency to become darker. So as I mentioned, so general and uniform pigmentation is mainly because of this etiology. These are the main reasons. But suppose if it's a patchy pigmentation, here and there there's a uniformly distributed pigmentation, where the pigmentation like a dull tone in the eye area or the face area, around the lips and the nose area, thickening of the skin or darkening of the skin, we call this patchy pigmentation. So in this case of patchy pigmentation, usually the dermatologist will guide you what is the reason for the problem, and we treat the underlying cause and the reason for the problem, and accordingly we guide the procedures. So for all the pigmentation problems, so if the patient wants to become fairer by 1 or 2 grades further, so first we assess the skin type, we find out the cause for the reason, problem, and suppose if we don't find, if there is no reason for it, it's only generally genetic type of just mild skin tone, like darker skin tone, we usually assure them that they will increase the skin tone by about 1 or 2 grades further. So today let us talk on laser skin toning. So in the laser skin toning, the main primary request is the sunscreen. So any patient who uses sunscreen and who have a tendency to use the sunscreen regular basis, they are the ideal candidates for laser skin toning. So in this, we usually apply the carbon on the entire face for about 15-20 minutes, and then we let it dry, and then we use the carbon peel, that is a QCH Indiac laser in the form of pulses, and we apply to the entire shots, give the shots to the entire face. So in this way, this laser vapor will clear up the melanin which is present in the epidermis, lower layers of the epidermis, and cause an instantaneous skin glow. So we widely call this as a Hollywood peel. So instantaneously the patient will feel better with the clearer skin. And the same vapor, the laser vapor, this carbon can clear up the debris and the bacteria which is present on the skin. So it will clear the clogged pores, it reduces the open pores, in many ways, even the fine lines and wrinkles can be targeted with the same Q-switched NDI laser, that is a carbon beam. In this Q-switched NDI laser, we have two different filters apart from this carbon beam, which is about 1320 nanometers. Apart from this, we will have 532 and 1064 nanometer filters. So in case if the pigmentation is a deeper pigmentation, that is the pigmentation is present in the deeper layers of the dermis, we use the longer wavelength filters to clear the pigmentation. So depending on the type of the problem or the patchy pigmentation which I have already mentioned to you, in this scenario, we use a longer wavelength laser to target the pigmentation. So usually we advise the patients to come for about 4 to 6 sessions to get the best desired result, and maintenance with the skin lightening creams like containing especially the kojic acid combinations, the retinol combinations, arbutin, licorice extracts, tetrahydrocurcumin. There are so many combinations which are available, ingredients available in the cream forms. So we advise the patient to use these skin lightening cream in the night time to get the best result. What are the post laser precautions which we have to follow? The most important precautions, as all of you know, is avoiding the sunlight. Because post procedure, if you use, if you go and expose to sunlight, most chances to get tanning, that is pigmentation, hyperpigmentation can come. So the patient can become look darker. So we advise the patient to use sunscreen, avoid outdoors and stay indoors. And second is the night creams. We advise them to use post 3 to 4 days post procedure. In the first 3-4 days, we ask them to use a mild cleanser, not to wash the face frequently, and with the harsh soaps and face washes we should not use because it can have skin even dry. So plenty of fruits and vegetables which act like antioxidant. This is general for all the procedures in general to get the best result. So please be free to ask more queries and doubts if you have in this particular procedure. So definitely, not but the least, any skin problem to be addressed, always general health is very important. So you should always look for the general health, because your skin health is nothing but your internal health only will reflect onto your face. So have a good lifestyles, take plenty of fruits and vegetables, have adequate sleep, plenty of water to be taken care of, exercise in the form of some exercise, aerobics or yoga and meditation. All is a part of the as a part of your routine schedule should be there incorporated to get a good glowing skin. And not but the least, please don't self-medicate and use over-counter medicines to get the glow, because they all can cause side effects. I advise all my patients to always approach the dermatologist at least once in 6 months to know your skin type and get your guidance. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.